Hello, welcome to my channel. Today I am showing how to fix the Radeon software and driver versions do not match error. Go to device manager. I show my display adapters. My display adapter is Radeon RX 517. Go to Google and write DDU, what is display driver uninstaller, and download it. You can switch with servers. I click on to download and wait 5 seconds for download starting. Yes, the download started. Click on to do and extract the files where you want. I want to extract it on my desktop. I rename it to DDU display driver installer extracts, and it's completed. Now go to start menu, click shift and click restart, and Windows come in this screen. Go to startup settings and go to restart. Click the restart button. When PC restart, Windows not starting normally because we need to enter to safe mode. Enable safe mode at number 4. Click the number 4 on keyboard and wait to starting Windows on safe mode. Yes, now Windows started. I go to DDU display driver uninstaller, go to folder and right click and click run as administrator at display driver uninstaller. Yes, the application now is opened, and go to AMD specific options and check the remove the specific AMD drivers and remove AMD audio adapters, and go here, select device type to GPU and select the AMD graphics card and click clean and restart because this is highly recommended. When this finished, the PC restart automatically. Yeah, now my PC restarted automatically and start with standard Windows mode. I should go to device manager to show you. No, I don't have any display driver adapter and any display driver. No, I don't have AMD Catalyst or Radeon software panel. I'm going now to download it. Go to Google and right here AMD GPU drivers. Here you can select your graphics card manually, or you can download the automatically driver detector. I want to download auto detect. Mostly recommended is auto detect. Waiting for extraction fails and for installation now. It can take several minutes. Now I am the software installer checking PC's hardware to check compatible which driver we need to install. We don't have now drivers because we uninstall all current and previous drivers from computer from with display driver uninstaller. Did you? Yeah, the software Adrenaline edition. Check my graphics card for which is Radeon RX 518 series. Recommended is 22.5.1. Full install and click install and wait for it. Yeah, now the package is downloading. Yeah, the installation complete. I'll skip this part of video. I uncheck allow AMD to collect anonymous and launch AMD Catalyst Control. You can see here AMD Software Adrenaline Edition now, and go to device manager, see my graphics card driver is installed or not. Yeah, this driver installed. And now we check. Yeah, AMD Software Adrenaline Edition works. Now I select eSport and you can see now I am the Radeon software panel is working. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please like and subscribe. See you next time.